Greeting, this is Mark Bone. We're going to be looking at how we can add a page number to document. Yes, a page number to document. Some of you may have a problem like inserting numbers on the page. I'm going to take you through that particular process. So this is set for the page that you want to add a number. As you notice right down here, show 1 of 4. So I want to add. So first thing you want to do is to come right here and click on the word insert. Then click on insert, you're going to go all the way where it says head and footer to your far right. And then click on page number. You notice it gives you option. Alright, so it says a top. And then click on top. This is what it comes. When you click on here, that's the bottom. This is exactly what it looks like. When you click on margin, this is what it comes right here. And if I click on current, you notice it reach right here. But what I want to focus on here, I want it on the bottom of my page to the right. So I'm going to select the third one right here. Right, and there you go. So I can double click like this and close it. If you notice, this is set for the last page as before. Alright, let me take time and go up. Notice this is the second page, third page rather. And if you notice, you go up here, this is it. And there you go. Now you add a page number. So that's exactly the way you add it. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember to share with a friend. Very important.